take much more of this. I'll run into the corner and pick you up a pound of rare roast beef. Maybe that'll hold you till Life magazine gets here.
No way.
Look, it's my last offer. Yes or no?
It's better than nothing.
Done. Fine. Great. And don't think you're getting dessert.
TikTok, here we go. Good. And she follow her when she comes in.
I couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex. The voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour.
1, 2, 3.
See, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
You're friendly.
Yeah, it's in the wrong spot, man.
1 and 2 and 6, and here it goes. Sorry. 1, go.
Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can
Is
be.
somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet. No, it ain't Seymour. It's me. You're friendly, I'll be too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it's talking.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
I don't believe
Okay,
it.
plan is talking to you.
This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Oh, relax and go along with it, dog. And do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches, honey. I'm a goner. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if they should.
Hey, little lady, good night.